have a newly dug trench. We're gonna pour concrete in this tomorrow. And then this is the trench for the wires. And it's gonna go right into the house right there. And today's the only day we have the jackhammer. So we're trying to jackhammer everything. So right in here, we've got Eric jackhammering away. Jimmy measuring away. He's got this fancy string for the connection. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Don't even have to walk outside.
Okay. So what's gonna happen here?
So we were gonna put this in through this door, and it was gonna be great.
It's a big baby that's not gonna go through.
Yeah. It's C-section time.
Or trans.
Now we just have to go out in another hole. This was not big enough.
Alright, so we got 2 and 2. We're gonna just lift this thing up. We're gonna tilt it back because I can't get my fingers under.
Okay, it's back which way?
Towards the door. Towards the door? Yeah. Okay. We're going up?
Oh.
Yep, we're up.
Everybody Jimmy, you feel good?
Is everybody okay?
1 second. You get to the, yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, yep, we're good.
We're not doing a whole lot.
People's nice.
Oh. Get level, you guys.
Okay.
Oh. Everybody okay? Jimmy?
Yeah, sure you don't want to do the other way?
High road's the way. It gets super slanted near the end on the low road.
The whole thing is tipping towards me.
Get up high where it's flatter. Oh my gosh. You guys.
I'm not
Hey.
doing anything.
Do you need to stop
Weight
and...
is all tipping towards the front side.
Do you guys need to take a break? Why don't you take a break?
Coordinate what's going on.
What's happening? Why did we just pivot?
Okay.
Set it down. What happened?
Why did we spin? What
Okay,
happened?
watch it. There's like some things that are being poked into the earth that you might not want being poked.
It'll
Okay,
survive.
we just gotta be more careful.
So
when we're
Eric,
Sorry about that.
you might not want to bend it towards, do you see there's these things that are poking out? You might not want those,
Yeah, I think it's okay though.
bent, the whole weight of the thing coming into those.
Yeah, Jimmy, are you grabbing it on the bottom too? Yeah, I guess it's... Was it just not level because it's downhill?
No.
It was just hard.
Were you grabbing it on the very bottom, Jimmy?
Should have been fairly equal weight. Well, I guess maybe unless Jimmy's just taller than everybody. Well, I guess now
Well, maybe Jimmy go with where Sabine was, and Sabine you go with Eric. Or Eric, you get on Jimmy's side.
It's all good.
Yeah, we gotta save this bug there.
Jimmy's gotta save a bug.
It's a cool.
Let's take a look at him.
I've been
Oh, hi.
been working next to him for the past 2 or 3 hours.
He likes you.
Yeah.
That's
a cool dude. Yeah, check him out. Wow. Okay.
Do you think, do we want to do one more measurement? I wonder, like, because the wheels go this way. I think, are we going to have to carry it through the hallway too?
Yeah.
Probably, yeah. Okay.
But the thing is, our shoulders are gonna be really wide, so we gotta get right next to each other. Like this.
But do you see why I don't think you should bend.
It's fine. I think these things, yeah, these things aren't. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Are we ready?
Oh my gosh.
Are we up?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Ready for this?
It feels like there's
Oh, I know
like a
what's
long
happening
wait right now.
What?
No one communicated to me that we were going through this door. I was thinking that other door.
No, the other door's
The bug was not. The bug is not in the way. It's the right to this door.
Oh yeah, let's push this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just the main thing is saving toes.
Okay, keep backing up. Or turn. Okay, turn. Okay. You know we're walking?
We're good, didn't it? I'm not taking a lot of weight. I don't know why.
Nice and steady.
That's okay.
Alright, you guys are opening.
Oh, this is the narrowest one.
This looks tighter.
Just breathe and push. Breathe. This is the narrowest one up here.
Yeah. Okay, to the right or your left. Okay.
Where are we putting it?
Go, keep walking.
In the kitchen.
No.
You're good? Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
The bump is so real.
Okay, are we gonna go down?
No, we're good. We're good.
Okay, then you gotta go to
So let's
the left.
come to our left.
Okay, are you
That's
sure
the
you're
side.
good? Watch your step, there's cords.
Okay, now you're gonna have to
Cords.
back up into this space.
Yep. You
Back
guys,
up
you
past
guys are
the
gonna
fridge.
go past the fridge.
Gotcha. And then we'll turn.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys past the door or the counter?
Yeah. Okay, Eric, get your...
Easy, sweet.
Alright, you guys are doing good. Take deep breaths, don't drop it on your toes. Almost there. Whoa, okay, now
hold
set
it.
it down.
Hold it. No, can we set it down, please?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh my
Sorry, that
god.
wasn't here. We'll
Fingers on it.
here, we're holding it back too.
You're good.
Okay. Okay, now everybody smile.
Yeah.
Yay!
There's my climbing training for the day.
Oh my god.
Right on my left arm.
I had to learn this big range.
Yes.
With it.
Yeah.
Oh, he's scared. Oh, whoa. Oh, he's almost. Oh, God. Send the cliff. Oh. Yeah.
With hard working comes hard playing, especially for the boys. You know, having your own private playground, incredible basin, mountain, valley, gulch thing at 11, 12, 13,000 feet. Who's not gonna love that? And they definitely earned some running around time with all the work they've been putting in here. Then make Mount Hayden BackCountry Lodge a possibility. It's good for them, good for the boys, and yeah. Thanks for watching this episode. We'll see you next time.